Real talk. I'm going to the first. I don't think I've told everyone. I guess there's no reason not to. I'm treating my family, my brothers and their wives. We're all Lions fans. We're flying to Detroit in a private jet, and we're going to opening game day on Monday.
Dude, that's freaking sick.
Legend.
Very true.
That would be awesome.
It'd have to be a little bit more. It's a little bit more different. Like, so it's like I think it's like 7,000 an hour. So like the flights from California, anywhere to California basically is gonna be like 60 grand round trip, which is why it's always like. I'll pop on after game 2, but I need to go upstairs real quick and get my headband, make it a late drop if possible.
$7,000 an hour. Wow.
Oof. You know what, boys? I think I'll fly coach.
Dude, I can't wait for my
thing.
What? There you go. Fusion.
Dude.
The sync.
This is perfect. DK, man. I always knew there was something special about us, dude. Kidding me? The instant.
Listen, no one send Netflix to Dr. Lupo.
I feel like we're not gonna win it.
We're gonna win. I need you to take back that kind of that
mojo. It's just a feeling deep down.
What are you doing?
What are you talking about, dude? I'm just running. What is your problem? Why are you being so? You're being so weird, dude. You're being so weird. Why are you being so weird?
What is going on back there?
I don't know, dude. He's trying to block me out now. I don't get it. What's the deal? Huh,
Luke, Luke, you're gonna cost me 5,000.
I'm not doing I'm not doing anything. Tyler is provoked.
Ninja, what's happening?
Dude, he's being so toxic.
Why are you so triggered, dude?
He's building in front of me, dude.
Are you thinking back to the day where I whooped your butt in PUBG and it started this friendship? It's okay, dude. We've all moved on. It's your turn now.
Oh, right? Dang, man. He's getting roots here. Going to the roots.
Can't unhear it.
Tyler, it's okay. Just accept it, all right? I was a superior specimen in pub. That's life.
Oh,
can't help it.
God, dude, he's really doing it, man. Man!
Shots. East.
Nick, we're by ourselves, brother.
Casual split. This is good.
All right. Well, they're right here.
Tyler, do you need help? If you want to throw a nade, I can throw you how to throw it. You know that. All right. I can show you the way. You don't want to left click at just the right time.
All right, Tim, listen, I'm going up.
Solid unit, bro. Back.
The only you can be, then you.
I was actually gonna do it. I was actually gonna real send you, and you tried to be toxic, man. Dude, Ben is so toxic.
You're trying to shoot me in the hair. Why are you so triggered, bitch?
Yeah, I need help, man. We need an adult, dude. I need someone.
He's gone.
Listen, dude.
Between the two of you.
Tim, follow me.
I need 5,000 wins from you two. All right. Now,
Tim,
start playing together and win the game. All right.
Yo, Trauma, thanks for 2 months so far.
Trying to launch you in the
Oh, no,
stratosphere.
it worked.
Oh!
Oh.
See you, Kurt. You killed him. You gotta go get him. Whoa. You killed him.
Alright, ready?
I'm ready, bro. All right, 1,000 YouTube video. Here
Happy
we go.
1,000th win, Tim.
No, son of a! Why did you do this to me? All right, I'm channeling Cypher. Hang on. Where's the shot? Where's the shot? There has to be a shot. Please, God, Cypher, please go through me in this moment.
Bye-bye. We got a rogue agent on our hands here, but we got some impulse snakes to make the play. We see the last player. Ninja's in a 1v1 situation. Here comes the first shockwave grenade. Gonna throw down the second one. But what's this? He's got something else up his sleeve. He's gonna do one of these. Get the player knocked over into the storm. He's gonna be taking away some damage there. Let's see how much it's gonna do. It's not gonna be enough to finish the job. But it is gonna be enough to somehow accidentally launch himself in some awkward way there, and now directly in this guy, gotta do a couple 360s and land right in front of his opponent. And here comes, out comes the melees, and there's the game.
Holy shit, dude.
Okay, I got rockets in the middle, and there's a shotgun. And I'm thirsty.
Holy.
Tim, I saw that impulse nade. Make a play. I'm ready.
No, what the? No way he got me right there. Yo, he's one shot. He's got 20 HP down low in the pit. Anybody's about that life. Tim.
Brother,
Tim.
I am in a pickle.
I'm in the pit. Where's the pit? Where's he?
20 HP. Underneath me. Underneath me.
I don't see him.
Yeah. He's there.
Oh, he's not.
Yes, he is. Oh, they were in their closet. That guy's got a rocket.
There you go.
Nice.
Come here, boy! Oh my god!
Hey, brother.
To infinity and beyond, it is.
No, Mr. Galaxy Skin. No! Give it up, toe! TCV, by the way. Hey, boy. This guy had no idea. Yeah. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. I built a 1x1 bounce pad, I'm flying through the sky. When I ooga brooga in the air, I shotgun you in your eye. You don't want none, cause when I hit you in the head, boy, you gon' die. You don't want none, boy, I will squash you like a fly. Yeah, I'm shaking that booty. That booty so fat. Don't give it right to me, girl. Why don't you throw it back? Ooh, go save a life. You're a lifeguard. Ooh, I'm singing like a bard. Shake it to the beat, I'ma beat my beat, hey. Whoa, I was just playing, dog. I was just playing, you know what I'm saying? It was just for the rap, you know what I'm saying? Yo, GG, baby. GG.
Oh, crap. Okay, nope, it's fine.
Wait, how did that happen?
I did that for Tim, not you.
Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate it. Hey, be sure to like and subscribe for more shots like this. 3, 2, 1.
Damn, I'm trying to save you, dude. Calm down. Get down here. Tim, move down. Tim.
Oh, hell no. There's so many freaking people out here, dude. If I get sniped one more time, bro, this is this dude's first kill. Come on, bro.
Tell my wife I loved her, alright? shot. Oh my god, he gave 22 kills. 61.
Am I your poppy? Just say it. Am I your poppy?
Yes, yes, daddy.
Yes! Yes! Hey, GG, bro. Nice to meet you. Have a splendid day. And figure out that damn Twitch Prime sub and come subscribe to twitch.tv/CourageJD. You hear me? You hear me?
I'll try.
Have a great day.